When the devastating floods hit Kerala in 2018, they left behind an unexpected gift in Kottayam, a riverside beach. A stretch of soft white sand appeared along the Meenachil River in Kidangoor, now known as the Kavalipuzha Mini Beach. That's right, beach vibes in landlocked Kottayam. Formed by sugar-fine sandbanks along the Kavali River pump house, this surprise spot quickly became a local favorite. Since then, the community, students, Janamaitri Police and the Panchayat have helped shape it into a beautiful getaway. Benches, swings, shade, even a little coffee shop. This has become a breezy weekend escape. And yes, there's a country boat too.
ആൾക്കാർ വരും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അവധി ദിവസങ്ങളിലാണ് കൂടുതൽ ആൾക്കാർ വരുന്നത്. 2018 വെള്ളപ്പൊക്കത്തിന് ശേഷമാണ് ഇവിടെ ബീച്ച് പോലെ ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അത് വൈകുന്നേരങ്ങളിലാണ് ആൾക്കാർ കൂടുതൽ വരുന്നത്. ഒരു 4 മണിയോട് കൂടിയൊക്കെ.
The best part, it stays cool even at noon. Listen to the birdsong, feel the breeze, dip your feet in the river, or hop on a boat and cruise through Meenachil's calm waters. It's just 20 km from Kottayam and 12 from Pala. From Kottayam, take the Ayarkunnam Kidangoor Road. Turn before Kidangoor Temple into the Chempilavu Road. Then after the Uthameswaram Temple, take a left. Or just type Kavalipuzha Beach in Google Maps.